Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome back to this lecture of interactive machine translation for Arabic. In this lecture we will continue post editing the second project with Translog. As usual, we have to go to our Dropbox homepage. We check and click on Arabic IMT. Click on project data. Access your folder. My folder is number 16. So in this lecture I have to work with this P2. It will be opened and it is this one. I'll copy it to the desktop. We have to open this project with Translog user. Click on open. It is this in desktop and I click open. The status is ready. I can start logging. And this is another task of post editing. This is the source text and this is the Arabic translation. This Arabic translation was produced by Google Translate, and we want to check whether this translation is right or wrong, whether it is good or bad. We have to correct this translation. We have to correct spelling mistakes. We have to correct translation mistake, mistranslation. We can edit, we can add words, and so on. So I will start now. Now I finished post editing the first sentence, and I will pause recording until I finish the whole task. Now I finished. I will click on stop logging. I will save this with my serial number. And the original file name, and I will save it in the desktop. And there is the confirmation. I will exit Dropbox, and it is this one. I will edit with Notepad. This line is number 17. I will make a new line, and in the Dropbox, this is in the Arabic INT, this is language tags in XML. You can copy from here. I will paste it here. Control B. I will save, exit, and exit, and I will upload it back to Dropbox. Okay, it's now there. There it is. You can click on this to see what is inside. Later on we will see how these are very useful for data analysis and for error classification. The next task is to translate a given text from a scratch, and I will see you in the next segment. See you there. Thanks.